guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For the ones who are new here, thank you so much for dropping by, and for the ones who are coming back, wow, you have a patience. I know what's happening here. My hair, right? I got a haircut a week back and my hair is not yet settled down. You know, the settlement that's supposed to come after you get a haircut, it has not happened yet. So I'm in this very awkward hair stage right now where I just don't know how to keep my hair. So yeah, I'm really sorry about this. Just look at this. It's not a bang. Okay, you guys, today we're going to be talking about a very hot topic, which is e.l.f. Cosmetics launch in My Nykaa or Nykaa. I think My Nykaa is their Instagram handle, but yeah, on Nykaa, which basically means that it's now available in India. For the ones who don't know, e.l.f. Cosmetics is basically an American very affordable brand. उनका price cap is somewhere between $2 to $4, which is like 400 रुपये तक का price cap. Departmental stores में भी मिल जाता होगा उनको, हमको जैसे Maybelline वगैरह कभी-कभी मिल जाता है. So that is why people are so excited कि हम Indians को चीजें थोड़ी सस्ती मिल जाए तो मजा आ जाता है. But we'll see how they have priced it in Nykaa. I have like the full-fledged, मैंने लिख के रखा है तो वो भी बात करेंगे. No, Nykaa did not pay me to do this. In fact, Nykaa does not work with me. I have to shamelessly admit, I have couple of times texted them, please work with me. Like I want to work with you guys. Not yet. I don't think they have worked with Northeastern creators yet. Like sometimes I have received a PR parcel, but not like. You get what I'm trying to say. There's a competition of buying going on in the day of the launch. Okay, I absolutely could not find the facial products. So I was like, foundation ही नहीं मिला तो face लेके क्या करे? Face के बाकी products है ना? I'll do that later. I went ahead and got the eye products though, so we are only going to be testing out their eye products. I think you realized it by now. I am a bias towards like eyeshadow palettes and all of that. So if you feel like this video is going to be of interest to you, make sure to keep watching. And if you are still watching, अगर अभी भी देख रहे हो, तो press that subscribe button down below if you haven't yet. And yeah, let's get started with the video. Okay, the first thing that we have is the e.l.f. Shadow Lock Eyelid Primer. It's supposed to give a smooth eyeshadow application so that the eyeshadow looks more vibrant, stays crease-proof, allowing you to rock your eyeshadow look with confidence. The real price of this is $3, which means 219 rupees, but here in India it costs 400 rupees, which means we are paying 181 rupees extra to get this product. Okay, I guess I have nothing to say about how the pricing is done, but I accidentally ordered two of them, so I paid 400 rupees twice, which is making me quite mad. This has happened. I'll just go and get a sharp object. I'm pretty sure you watch all of these other YouTubers gracefully cutting their PR packages and parcels and all, and here I am. So this is how it is. You get it in a doe foot, and eyeshadow primers in general are not supposed to be like sticky. Okay, I think it works decently. Okay, it feels really nice and non-sticky, dude. I like the feel of it, so I'm thinking this is gonna work really well with the eyeshadow. The eyeshadow. I needed this to have its moment. Can we redo that part? Let me redo. Okay, so this one is the e.l.f. Cosmetics Bite Size Eyeshadow in the shade Truffles. Yeah, they have 6 at the moment in the Nykaa website. 6 different sort of shade ranges. But I'm not aware of the pigment, so I'm feeling a little scared to dip into the black. I'll go ahead with the brown at first, and let's just see how. The pigment, it's nice. Honestly, एक 400 rupees के palette से मैंने कुछ भी आशा नहीं करके रखा था, but it does blend decently, not like incredibly nicely, but decently. I think I understand the hype now. The pigment is actually really nice. It blends decently, but the pigmentation is good in comparison to the price of the product. It also has a glitter shade, which is the last thing that we are yet to try. Let me first do like a dry swatch on one of these lids, okay? And if it does not work, then I'm gonna use some liquid here, and then we're gonna see. Okay, it does show up. Shimmer is not like, you know, but it's still something. I'm using the MAC Prep and Prime. Let's do it with some liquid. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Ooh. Nice. you know what, I actually like this palette, and I think you guys are really going to enjoy it. For the ones especially who do not use makeup every day, or like cannot finish those big palettes that we purchase, if you have like one specific occasion to go and wear somewhere, this also has like a couple of neutral shades, so you can also try that out. And then there's a shimmer shade also. I'm so glad I picked up this particular palette, but I'm also going to get this in other color ranges of the same palette. Alright, the next thing that we have is the Intense Ink eyeliner in Blackest Black. Quite excited to see what that means. The real price of this one is $4, which means 292 rupees, which is about 300 rupees, but we are paying 600 rupees. It's quite a bit, right? It's like double. I'm not going to say anything about the pricing system of Nykaa. That's not my lookout. Regardless, let's see what we are getting in double the price and 600 rupees. Very excited. What does Blackest Black mean? I guess we'll find out. It's like a small size sketch pen. Let's see how this. Oh, okay, that's big. That's actually quite big for an eyeliner tip, right? Okay, decent. Okay, let me just do it like this already once. That is what I was talking about. Like, it's very difficult to impress me in terms of like sketch eyeliners, because sketch eyeliners are quite available in the market, like even in the Indian beauty market it's quite available, and it's not like an extraordinary product. Here is the last eye product, the Length and Volume Black Waterproof Mascara. It's supposed to achieve a full and long-lasting lashes. Waterproof formula helps prevent clumps and is quick drying. You know, for $4, I think the packaging is pretty decent. It does not feel extraordinarily cheap, to be honest. None of the products feel that cheap. So I'm just gonna enhance the sparkle here a little bit so that you can tell that the mascara is there. I think I'm planning on going without the curler in this eye and then with the curler in this eye, so that we get a full-fledged testing of it. It's supposed to give me length and volume both. Okay, it's not bad, it's nice. The mascara actually did stand by the claims it made. It gave me volumes. It's not like it doesn't exist. It exists, bitch, and it's there. I like it. Guys, I have one last bonus product, which is the Seriously Satin Lipstick. It is in the shade Cider, and this again costs $3 in real, like American dollars, but we are here paying 400 rupees, which means 181 rupees more. This is how the packaging of this looks, but I was really quite lazy to open this up from this side, so I just went ahead and popped this out from here only, because that's easier. 400 rupees, I feel like, you know, we have better looking lipsticks, but okay, alright, maybe the formula is extraordinary. Okay, it's comfortable. It's definitely a good formula. Hey guys, this is how the final look has come out as. Let me quickly take you through my favorite out of all of these. This for sure won my heart. I don't know whether you can see or not, but there's a lot of fallout in the pan, which is something you can expect, but regardless, the pigmentation is great. It's decently blendable. It's cute. I like it. Second thing that I liked the most was the mascara. It does what it claims to do, and for 600 rupees as a drugstore brand, I feel like that's good. Now, this product should have been the second. This is the eyeshadow primer. Girls, eyeshadow primers are now affordable, all thanks to ELF. There was a scarcity of eyeshadow primers in the Indian beauty industry. Nykaa, I think, had one, but there was like less options, but I think we have one now, and this is also affordable, so really grateful for that. And I think it worked well, which is why the eyeshadow popped beautifully. Coming to the last two products, I'm not going to put them on reco or off reco. To be honest, they're not bad. I like the quality of this a lot. I'm just not happy with the packaging. I mean, for 400 rupees, I think we get other Maybelline and all that lipstick also nowadays, which are equally nice and have a slightly better packaging. About this one, for 600 rupees, I think I can get another as well. I mean, there's nothing extraordinary about this, so I'm like, okay. Okay, that was it, you guys. We're soon going to do the foundation, concealer, the face products of Elf Cosmetics. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. In case you have any products purchased from Elf Cosmetics and you are really enjoying using them, or maybe not, then please make sure to write them down in the comments below. Let's gossip a little. Also, if you guys have watched this video and if you think any of these products you are going to purchase for yourself, also make sure to write that down below. I am so excited to see you guys again really soon. If you guys are new here and this is the first video you have watched, then please do not go without pressing the subscribe button, because I make a lot of videos. I make hauls, I make vlogs. I'm sure you're gonna find something that you love. See you again in the next video really soon. Bye bye, lots of love.